Hi guys, I'm River Joseph, ang sporty business bro ng Muntinlupa City. At ngayon, magre-react lang ako sa isang interview o video na ginawa ko bago ako pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya.
Siguro yung unang pumapasok sa utak ko ay reality. Kasi doon naging totoo yung mga tao. Doon lumalabas yung mga totoo nilang ugali. Siyempre walang mga cellphone, walang communication from outside world. Kaya yung focus ng mga housemates talaga ay doon sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. At doon nga lumalabas yung ano yung pumipitik sa kanila, ano yung nagtitrigger sa kanila. Kaya reality yung unang pumapasok sa utak ko.
Same sentiments, yung mga nangyari sa bahay ni Kuya is a reflection of reality. Not just with the tasks also showed, what we may encounter in the outside, and it really tested our patience, our hard work, our perseverance. And also inside the house, it was a reality of different personalities that you can encounter sa totoong buhay. We were a mix of all unique personalities, and it was very interesting to see how all those personalities come together and become a family. So, same sentiments pa rin na reality nga talaga ang nangyayari sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Describe myself in 3 words. Easy to talk to, positive, and
So, ang sinabi ko ay easy to talk to, positive, and competitive. Yung easy to talk to, I feel like the other housemates naman felt that way. I was able to really converse with all of the housemates. Siyempre, nandun ako for 4 months. Wala rin kami magawa but to converse and to really open up with each other. And I was happy na a lot of the housemates felt open with me and they were comfortable with sharing their stories to me. Ang sinabi ko rin ay positive. I feel like I try to stay positive throughout the whole season also. I try to carry that mindset all the way to the end. Competitive. Lumabas lang yung pagka-competitive ko siguro sa dulo na. But then throughout the first few months, I was just really going with it lang. Not really trying to be too competitive and to focus more on yung relationships na nabibuild namin. Siguro sa huli na talaga yung lumabas yung pagka-competitive ko sa mga last few challenges.
strengths, siguro I can talk to anyone. Feeling ko naman any kind of person pwede ko kausapin, kahit matanda, bata, may conversation ta rin dyan. Strengths, always thinking positive kahit everything's going down. I try to stay as positive as I can. Strength also, yun nga, competitive and hardworking. Kung gusto ko talaga. Weaknesses, may times na lazy ako or walang gana gawin yung mga task. Weaknesses ko rin, speaking up. Minsan kasi may mga times na ayoko ng away o conflict, kaya I choose na lang to stay silent para to protect the peace of the people. Pero feeling ko weakness yan. Tapos another weakness, procrastinator. Kapag pwede gawin mamaya, gagawin ko na lang mamaya. Pero weakness ko rin yan.
So, sa weaknesses naman, na-mention ko yung pagka-lazy at procrastinator. At na-realize ko na kahit may yun nga yung mga weaknesses ko dati, sa bahay ni Kuya, hindi pwede maging lazy or procrastinator. Kung may task si Kuya, kailangan mo gawin, wala kang choice. And you have to give your best and you can't wait till the end to do it. Kailangan mo gawin kaagad. Tapos yung isa pang weakness na mention ko ay there are times na I'm scared to speak up. And I feel like sa bahay ni Kuya, I learned that if I think it's wrong, if I know it's against my values, then, and I know if other people are affected, then I should speak up. And I'm happy na I was able to do that sa decoy task nila. So, I'm happy to, no regrets naman sa ginawa ko, and I'm happy I was able to do that. And even outside of this house, I feel like that's something that I'll continue to do, especially for other people.
Values in life, of course, number one, family. The importance of family in someone's life. God. And to always, have faith and know that there is a God up there. And always stay grounded, stay humble. Never, huwag ka maging mayabang. Yun yung binavalue ko sa
Yun, those values I still carry until this day. And that's something that I will carry on throughout my whole life, throughout my whole career. Something na I'll never forget. And always keep in mind na yun talaga yung core ko na, at yun talaga yung values na susundin ko hanggang buhay.
Yung advice ko sa River na nasa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, don't quit. Alam ko, mahirap. Alam ko, mamimiss mo yung mga kaibigan mo, family mo. Pero, don't quit. Kaya mo yan.
Tama nga siya. There were times nga na, and many times na namiss ko na nga yung pamilya ko sa labas. But then, and there were also times na inisip ko talaga kung should I give up na? Should I, how much more can I take? Pero I'm happy na I listened to my day one advice. I'm happy na I listened to my housemates' advice. And to really never give up talaga. And I'm happy na nakaabot ako sa dulo, sa Big 4. Dahil ba?
Uy bro, sana mas maganda katawan mo ngayon. Sana mas matalino ka ngayon at sana mas updated, mas better version ka.
Sa mas maganda yung katawan mo, siguro parang hindi yun natupad. Parang tumaba pa nga ako dito sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Yung mas matalino, I feel like I've really learned so much here in the house. And I feel like I am also a better version of myself after being inside the house of Kuya. Kaya, wow, grabe. Di ko na-expect na same values pa rin ever since day one. And I'm happy na he gave me the advice that I needed. And I'm happy na natupad nga yung mga goals ko dito.